If you are a cyclist, mountain biker, or e-bike rider, you know the importance of maintenance. In this video, I'll show you how to save on Muc-Off bike cleaning products using our referral link below. Muc-Off is the go-to brand for premium bike care, protection, and performance products. They've built a global reputation with cyclists and mechanics for good reason. Explore their bestsellers, bike cleaning kits with biodegradable formulas, chain degreasers, labels, and protectants that extend the life of your components. Products especially made for e-bikes and electric scooters. Accessories like microfiber gloves, detailing brushes, and storage kits. And environmentally safe formulas that are thought on grind but kind to your gear. Whether you are preparing for race day or post-trail recovery, Muc-Off has your back. And by signing up using the referral link, you'll get instant saving on your first purchase, plus access to bundle deals and VIP offers. Remember, to activate your discount, use the referral link in the description because if you make access without the link, you may lose the possibility to access to discounted prices. Clean up your ride and save today with Muc-Off while this offer is still valid.